cipher. Varnam cipher is all in this algorithm. The length of the character in the key and the plain text or the ciphertext should be equal to the key. So the length of the key as well as length of the plain text is equal, same as one time paid algorithm. So we can say that this is similar to one time paid algorithm. The only difference is that it is uses or works with binary representation of the plain text or ciphertext and the key, and performs the XOR operation. So in general, we can define the Varnam cipher as, for example, encryption algorithm. So we are getting cipher text by using plain text with XOR operation of key characters. So here this CI means ciphertext or the stream of ciphertext which will get after the process of encryption algorithm. This PI is the plain text characters and KI means key characters. So here what we have to do, first we have to find out the binary representation of each of the key character as well as each of the plaintext character. Then we have to perform the XOR operation. After the XOR operation, whatever we get is the cipher character of that XOR operation of PI and KI. So we'll take one example to understand this algorithm. For example, we have uh, plain text is equals to good, and suppose the key is equals to wood, WOOD. So first of all we have to find out the numeric values related with each of the characters of plain text as well as key. So see in the matrix, G means 6, O means 14, again 14, and D means 3. By the same way, wood means 23, 14, 14, and 3. Now to perform the XOR operation, we have to convert these decimal values into binary.
Sir,
And we
W22
Sir,
पे.
W22.
okay, W is 22, W is 22, it's my mistake. So here is 22. So before performing the XOR operation, we have to convert it into binary, because XOR operation will be performed on binary digits or the bit. It is a bit by bit operation. So we know that how to convert this decimal into binary. So I am directly putting the value 6 means 0 1 1 0. How I have written, because this is the power is 1, इसका होता है 2, इसका होता है 4, इसका होता है 8. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 हो गया. So by this way we can convert the decimal values into binary. By the same way, 14 means 1 1 1 0. 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. 2 plus 1 3. By this way. Okay, actually all this in the first row in the plain text, all the letters have the value which is less than 16. So we can accommodate it into 4 bits in binary. But here is the W, so we have to include one more bit. So W is 22, So here we have to include the bit or the power of 16. यहाँ पे एक 0 ऐड करना पड़ेगा मुझे. So it is 1 0 1 1 0. 16 plus 4 plus 2 हो गया 22. By the same way 14 तो सेम रहेगा 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 0 0 1 1. Now how to perform the binary operation that we already know. XOR ऑपरेशन में क्या होता है? XOR ऑपरेशन क्या होता है? 1 XOR 1 तो वो होता है 0, ठीक है ना. बट 0 XOR 1 क्या होता है? 1. बाय द सेम वे 1 XOR 1 क्या होता है? सॉरी 1 XOR 0 क्या होता है? 1. Again 0 XOR 0 is also equals to 0. So if any of the bit is 1, then we have say that it's a 1, otherwise it's a 0. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिलेगा? 0 0 0 0, all are 0. By the same way यहाँ पे भी हमको क्या मिलता है? 0 0 0 0. यहाँ पे भी हमको मिलता है 0 0 0 0. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? 0 0 0 0, but here is 1 because 0 XOR 1 is equals to 1. So ultimately what we will get, इसका वैल्यू क्या हुआ? 16. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? इसका वैल्यू क्या हुआ? 16. इसका वैल्यू हुआ 0. इसका भी वैल्यू हुआ 0. इसका भी वैल्यू हुआ 0. So this is the cipher text is equals to 16 0 0 0. Now see what is the 16. 16 means Q. 16 क्या है यहाँ पे? Q. ठीक है. So ultimately what we'll get? Q, then 0 means A, this one. Okay, so Q, A, and A. This is our final cipher text using the Varnam cipher. In decryption, we have to follow the similar technique with the cipher text and key, and we will get the plain text. So this is all about Varnam cipher.